Okay, here's the rosemary bush. You can see it's all dry and withered down. The roots are still good. So I'm going to put it in this potting soil that's real moist with some, I think it's Miracle Grow. I'm going to take all this off, all these dry leaves and things, and transplant it into this pot here. So that's what I'm going to do with the rosemary that was there for such a long time. And it still smells good. This is a smell good plant, y'all. Okay, we'll be right back. Working on that wall. Working on that fence. I call it a wall, but working on that fence, y'all. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm working in the cool of the evening. So I got my miniature roses planted. My rosemary bush was there. I saw show you the video where we took the rosemary bush from this area. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus I left this crepe myrtle here. So I'm going to put something in front of this because I've seen how they decorate the crepe myrtle. So I'm going to put something in front of that. So what I'm planting here is the pink drifts. My daughter has some in front of her yard, and I decided to put some on this back fence. As you can see, I painted the back fence. You don't believe me? I can show you. See that part right there? It's not painted yet. I'm doing it in sections. So I painted the black back fence, and it looks real good, real good. I might put another coat on it real quick, but right now I'm happy with it. See, that part was like that, and this part was like that. Now this is the pear tree. So we're going to work up to the pear tree, and then we're going to start from this section where the paint has stopped on the fence and go all the way back this way. Oh, I got a lot to do, y'all. But right here is looking good. So what I'm going to do is cover the holes up. I got water already in the holes. Now, under the bottom of any plant that you plant, you make sure that you have the roots out like that. See the roots, the white roots. Pull them a little away, not so hard, but very gentle, so they can start spreading their little legs out. Okay, I'm going to get ready to cover these up, and I'm going to mulch it and let you see what it look like, okay? I'm proud of my fence, y'all. Proud of this fence. I painted real good. I'm going to paint it a little bit more, y'all. Okay, let's get with these here. All right, I've started the wall, and I'm completed on this part of it. We got the little miniature roses that spreads out. And I left the tags on them so we know what their name is when they come out. So people can say, what's the name of them? You little reach down there and get the little tag and they tell you what it is. The little bug is happy. Look at that. He's happy that we changed this back here. I had got some plants from Walmart, and they are ferns. So I don't know what type of ferns are they. There was $2.99. So I bought them to put just beside this crepe myrtle. It was $2.99, but they didn't have the price on. I mean, they had the price, but they didn't have what there was. The name of them was. So I don't know if they're perennial or they annual. But I got two of them, so I put them on the side of the peach tree, the pear tree, the pear tree. So that looks good, y'all. We just got one section of it done right there. One section of the wall, half painted, half done. So we got this to go next. So this will be our next project right here. So I think I'm going to keep this bush here and cut the dry off and probably kill this mimosa tree. We'll see what we'll get to this point. Where we're at right now is looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Just go down the end and look all the way down. Looks pretty good. We're just starting the project on the back fence. Be right back and show you other things that we're doing. And hopefully we have it done before it gets too hot. Look at it. It looks real nice, don't it? Look real, real nice. It's amazing what you can do. All you have to do is put your mind to it. Okay. Check back with me later, y'all. And this is what we got done. We got the pear tree. It's growing real tall. And behind these are sweet honeysuckles coming over the wall. And we have our little ferns. We don't know what the ferns are. They're piano or whatever. But we got them on the side. Each one over here and one right there. So when they grow, they're going to be real pretty. And then our roses going to start growing. And then our crepe myrtles are going to get ready to bush out because I cut them in the nick of time. Okay, this is Sandra. I'll be right back with more things. Look, ain't that pretty? That is pretty hanging over there like that, isn't it? Oh, my new color films I painted.